According to speculations, the Galaxy S25, which is expected to come early next year, will have a quicker CPU and more RAM than the iPhone 16 Pro. Samsung's upcoming flagship smartphone is rumored to outperform the rival iPhone for the first time in years. While talking about the Galaxy S25 Ultra now may sound premature, the device's potential is really astounding. With the help of Qualcomm, Samsung was able to overthrow Apple and establish its domination. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has unfathomable power, making it perhaps the most powerful phone ever made. With their A-series CPUs, Apple has long been heralded as the undisputed king of performance. But Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and 8 Gen 3 chips have steadily changed this narrative over the last 2 years. In terms of graphics performance, the Galaxy S23 Ultra outperformed the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and the trend continued with the Galaxy S24 Ultra outperforming the iPhone 15 Pro Max. In terms of CPU scores, Apple only kept a little advantage, but that is set to change. In October of this year, at the Snapdragon Summit, Qualcomm is scheduled to introduce the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which may make an appearance in the Galaxy S25 series. This upcoming chipset is expected to significantly improve performance over its predecessor, according to many sources. Hold on to your seats because we have even more exciting news about this upcoming chipset. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which currently powers the Galaxy S24 Ultra, is expected to achieve a single-core score of 2,800 points on Geekbench, which is a significant improvement over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 score of 2,100 points. On the other hand, the Apple A18 chipset, which is anticipated to power the iPhone 16 Pro models, is rumored to score 3,300 points in the same test. The leak also suggests that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will outperform the Apple A18 in terms of multi-core and UPU performance. If these new leaks from China are accurate, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 could achieve a single-core score of 3,500 points, which would be absolutely mind-blowing. This implies that the Galaxy S25 series will be able to outperform the iPhone 16 Pro range thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's supremacy over the Apple A18. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.